In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your workbench for literally next to nothing. I'm Josh the DIY guy, and this is how I upgraded my workbench.
I want to put this piece of hardboard onto the top of my workbench. I'm doing this because my workbench has some gaps between the slats and the sawdust keeps falling through onto my tools. But before I can do anything, I need to remove this vise. The piece of hardboard I have is a bit short, but I'll just add on to this at the end. Let's line the corners up and get started. Please remember to be careful when using a sharp item like a box cutter or blade. And there you have it. The joint came out pretty well and I'm very happy with this. Let's take one last look. I've just positioned the vise here to get an idea of how it will look, but I'm not securing it as I'm going to restore it fully and save that for another video. Bing!
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one.